Good morning friend, my name is Anand Nalgi and I am today telling about some basic information about hypnotics and sedatives. So don't wasting time, let's begin. So what is meant by sedatives and hypnotics? In the basic, the sedative is the calm down and treat agitation, and hypnotic is the induce sleep. That is the go to sleep fast and feel fresh. Again, the next slide is sedative and hypnotic drugs. That is the classification of sedative and hypnotics. There are the three main drugs. That is the benzodiazepines, barbiturate, and miscellaneous agent. Benzodiazepines is again classified into the three parts. Barbiturate is again classified in three parts, and miscellaneous agent is again divided into two subparts. That is the benzodiazepines is divided into three classes, that is the short action, intermediate action, and long action. Barbiturate having three different parts like ultra action, short action, and long action. And miscellaneous agent is again divided into two main parts, that is the anxiolytic and hypnotic, sorry. The next slide is barbiturate, classification of barbiturate. Barbiturate is again classified by the long acting, short acting, and ultra short acting. Long acting example is phenobarbital, short acting example is butobarbital and pentobarbital, and ultra short acting is thiopentone and methotrexate. Again, classification of benzodiazepines, duration of the action, that is the short acting, intermediate acting, and long acting. Short acting having three drugs, intermediate acting having five drugs, and long acting having four drugs. This is the classification of benzodiazepine. Benzodiazepine, that is the hypnotic, anti-anxiety, and anticonvulsant. That is the examples of benzodiazepines by classification. This is the mechanism of the action of barbiturate and benzodiazepines into the CNS depression. Again, next slide is site of the action, that is the midbrain, limbic system, medulla, cerebellum, and the effect of the drug onto the midbrain. Therapeutic dose anxiolytic sedatives, and higher dose, that is the depress, RAS, and sedative and hypnotics effect. The next slide is dose dependent action, that is the most important part in this drug, that is the sedation, sedative properties, and sleep, hypnotics, and anesthesia. Then patient goes into the coma and finally death. The next slide is therapeutic use of barbiturate. That is the first is anesthesia. The ultra short acting barbiturate such as the thiopentol used as fourth to induce anesthesia, but have largely been replaced by another agents. Again is anticonvulsant. Phenobarbital is used in long-term management of the tonic-clonic seizure. Then sedative and hypnotics. Barbiturate have been used to mild sedative to relieve anxiety, nervous tension, and insomnia. The next is adverse effect, that is the CNS depression effect of barbiturate synergies with those of ethanol. Next is benzodiazepine. The action of the benzodiazepine, reduction of anxiety. At low dosage, the benzodiazepines are anxiolytic. They reduce anxiety but selectively enhancing GABA-genic transmission in nervous neurons, having the alpha 2 subunit in their GABA receptors. Therein inhibiting the neural circuit in the limbic system of the brain. The again is adverse effect, that is the adverse effect of the benzodiazepine. Drowsiness and confusion, it is the most common adverse effect into the patient. Next is benzodiazepine should be used to continuously in a patient with it causes liver diseases. Next slide is advantage of benzodiazepine over the barbiturate. This is the comparison benzodiazepines and barbiturates. In benzodiazepines, less neuronal depression, and barbiturates have more neural depression. In the benzodiazepines, high therapeutic index. So next is second is no anesthesia even at high doses into the benzodiazepines, and loss of consciousness into the barbiturates. In the benzodiazepines, patient can be abused, and barbiturates having a low margin of the safety. In no effect of respiration or cardiovascular function at hypnotic dosage into the benzodiazepines, but in barbiturates causes a respiratory and cardiac depression. No effect on REM sleep into the benzodiazepines, and that's again the 2 plus suppression of the REM sleep into the barbiturates.